The Kumbh Mela is held in 4 cities in India: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nasik, and Ujjain. These are the 4 places where Amrit, or the nectar from the Amrit Kalash, is believed to have fallen during the Samudra Manthan. Prayagraj is also called Tirtharaj, the king of all pilgrimages, because it is the only place where 3 sacred rivers unite: the Ganga, Yamuna, and the subtle river Saraswati. The meeting point of these rivers is known as Triveni Sangam. Immersion or Snan at the sacred spot of the Sangam is the most significant ritual of the Kumbh. At an outer level, Kumbh is a congregation of the diverse religious and spiritual sects of Sanatana Dharma, represented by akhadas. Akhadas provide a platform for those sharing similar practices and philosophies, blending spiritual learning with physical discipline. Based on the deities they worship, the akhadas are categorized into 3 types: Shaiva, Vaishnava, and Udasin. Members of these akhadas are sadhus, saints, and ascetics, and they work to uphold dharma in society. They function as the spiritual and dharmic guiding lights for common people, guiding them in living a life of dharma and pursuing the goal of life, which is moksha. In the philosophy of Vedic Sanatana Dharma, there are 4 primary purposes of life, known as the 4 Purusharthas: Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. For ordinary individuals living in the world, the Kumbh Mela offers an opportunity for householders engaged in worldly life and responsibilities to dedicate themselves to the pursuit of moksha, liberation. Over the 45-day period of the Kumbh, held from Makar Sankranti to Shivaratri, people from all walks of life, castes, education, and economic backgrounds, sects, and religious and cultural backgrounds come for the sole purpose of purification and seeking moksha. The pilgrims perform 4 spiritual rituals at Kumbh. Kalpavas, which is residing at the Kumbh for a specific period and following a disciplined life of fasting, brahmacharya or celibacy, japa, and meditation. Dana or charity is offering of money, food, clothes, blankets to sadhus and the fellow pilgrims or needy. In my experience at the Kumbh, I found free food being distributed outside all ashrams and akhadas, and there was no dearth of food for the millions of visitors. We had a sumptuous meal at ISKCON that was sponsored for the entire Kumbh period by the biggest industrialist in India. This is how the economy, the culture, and religion all come together at Kumbh. Dhyana, meditation and listening to discourses by Pujya Sant, saints, and spiritual masters, participating in yajna, chanting of mantras, and japa for self-purification is an important part of the sadhana.
Shivoham, Shivoham, शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्
From the yoga perspective, the confluence of three rivers in Sangam is symbolic of the nadis, the energy channels that represent solar and lunar energies as Ida and Pingala. The two tangible energies merge into the subtle and unmanifest channel of energy as Sushumna or the subtle river Saraswati. Immersing in the sacred Sangam becomes yoga when the sounds merge into silence.